affairs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, your voice is so slow.
I'm saying, have you prepared with the current affairs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No? Who said no?
No, ma'am.
The view नहीं आ रहा है.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay,
Good morning,
beti,
ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am,
So
your
listen.
video is so zoomed.
Anji.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Listen. Beti.
Excuse me.
Ma'am, your voice is so slow.
Okay. जिस बच्चे से
Good morning, ma'am.
telling me one of the current affairs that you have studied, right? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One from each. I have told you. Yes, Myra.
I'm by roll number wise. By roll number wise.
Myra, do you have any current affair? Do you studied for that?
शक्ल दिखनी रही लेकिन मैम ढंकेंगे.
Tell me. No. Okay, so I will be giving you some time before that we are going to start with. Please now don't unmute your mics.
Okay, ma'am.
Who is this? Okay, so let's start with the new topic, that is dinosaurs. Everybody open page number 12. This is given on page number 12. And please have your pencils with you. Right? Have your pencils so that whatever I will be asking you, you have to underline that and make in the question form, right? The first is, here it is about the amazing facts, right? Amazing facts of the dinosaurs. So, okay, good, Ananya, good. So first is, dinosaur walked the earth for over 165 million years. Underline करो बेटे इसको. Dinosaurs walked the earth for over 165 million years. Second is, the word dinosaur means terrifying lizard. It could be asked to you people, what is the meaning of the word dinosaur? So word dinosaur means terrifying lizard. Terrifying means very, जिसको आप बोलते हो जिसको देख के आपको काफी डर लगे, ठीक है, अजीब, डरावना. So terrifying lizard. The name was invented by Sir Richard Owen in 1842. Now, yes, scary. Now you have to underline this thing. It could be asked to you, who invented the name dinosaur? Write in the question form, who invented the name dinosaur? Who invented the name dinosaur? So the answer will be Sir Richard Owen. In which year भी बेटे आपसे पूछा जाता है. In which year? So the year is 1842 is the year in which the name is being invented by the person, that is Sir Richard Owen, right? Now the next is, dinosaurs lived during Mesozoic era or age of reptiles. इसके दो नाम हैं, Mesozoic era and or age of reptiles. It could be asked to you, what is the another name of age of reptiles, or what is the another name of Mesozoic era? Or dinosaurs lived during which age or era? बेटे लिख लो questions. Dinosaurs lived during which era? Make it like this. Dinosaurs lived during which era? Next is, they become extinct around 65 million years ago. Extinct का मतलब क्या होता है? When no other species are left. You have studied in the already studied in the chapter The World of Animals that what is the meaning of extinct? Extinct means when no more species are available on the earth, when everything is died, right? So it is asked to you that how many years ago the dinosaurs extinct? The answer will be 65 years, right? Scientists believe this extinction occurred due to the volcanic activities and earthquakes. Volcanic activities means volcano eruption, right? जो volcano होता है ना, जिसको आप lava बोलते हो, when it erupts, so that means at that time, due to that activities or due to the earthquake activities, the dinosaurs become extinct. Another question, what is the reason of extinction of dinosaurs? Reasons of extinction of dinosaurs. Reason of extinction of dinosaur. So you will be writing the reason is volcanic activities, or it could be earthquake. And some believe that an asteroid hit the earth, changing the climate which dinosaurs could not withstand. Now what it means? It means that there are various people, there are various reasons that believe that why the dinosaurs extinct from the earth. Some believe that they extinct due to the activities like volcanic eruption activities, or the activities like the earthquake. But some believe that an asteroid, what do you meaning by asteroid? It is a small rocky planet kind that are in the sky that orbits around the sun, right? ये sky में present होते हैं, they are present in the space like a rocks. जैसे छोटे छोटी rocks होती है ना, वैसे space में, like you have studied meteoroids होते हैं, asteroids होते हैं, they are in the space. तो किसी ने कहा कि कुछ asteroids में हिट कर दिया होगा, दे माइट हिट द अर्थ सरफेस एंड द डायनासोर्स। और जो उन्होंने जब हिट किया तो उसके कारण क्या हुआ बेटे, टेम्परेचर चेंज हो गया, एंड ड्यू टू द चेंज इन द टेम्परेचर द डायनासोर्स कुड नॉट resist that temperature and they finally what happens, they fall down. Right, next is a raptor is an oldest known dinosaur that lived 2 to 8 million years ago. Underline it. Which is the oldest known dinosaur? Write in the question form, which is the oldest known dinosaur? Which is the oldest known dinosaur? So you must know the name. Next is dinosaurs are divided into two groups based on the structure of hip. Now it could be asked to you, when the dinosaurs are being divided, into which two groups they are being divided? Basis of what? They are divided on the basis of the structure of hip. Underline it. They are divided on the basis of structure of hip. One group name is lizard-like hips and the another group name is bird-like hips. Hurry up. So what could be the questions? The questions could be that in how many groups the dinosaurs are being divided? You will be saying that in the two groups, right? On basis of what they are divided? They are divided on the basis of the structure of hip. What are the two names? Lizard. First is the lizard-like hips and another group is bird-like hips, right? Is it okay? Are you writing the questions as well? Okay. Now the next is, the largest dinosaur was Brachiosaurus that reached 23 meter in length and 12 meter in height. Again, a new question for you. The largest dinosaur. Which largest dinosaur? I am writing the questions बेटे. Largest dinosaurs, आपको एक नेम पता होना चाहिए. Second, length and height. Length is 23 and height is 12. Done. Next is smallest dinosaur. Smallest dinosaur. The smallest dinosaur were just slightly larger than a chicken. Like you have seen a chicken, the smallest dinosaur is just somewhat larger than that. And the name is Compsognathus, was 1 meter long, probably weight about 2.5 kg, like a newborn baby. Right? So the next question will be smallest dinosaur. You have to learn the names. Smallest dinosaur. Now the next question is, next point is written, Spinosaurus was the biggest carnivorous dinosaur. Now, what are carnivores? That eat flesh of the other animals or that feed on the other animals. So they are the biggest carnivorous dinosaur. The name is Spinosaurus. Name the biggest carnivorous dinosaur. Name biggest carnivorous dinosaur. So the answer will be Spinosaurus. It was larger than Tyrannosaurus and Giganotosaurus. ये भी दो नेम्स आप इसको अंडरलाइन कर सकते हो, बट द थिंग इज दैट इट इज जस्ट आस्क्ड दैट व्हाट इज द कार्निवोरस डायनासोर, नेम द कार्निवोरस डायनासोर. तो आपको नेम्स पता होने चाहिए. They had very long spines growing on its back. उनके बैक के ऊपर बहुत बड़ी बड़ी क्या होती हैं, स्पाइन्स होती हैं, लाइक जो तीखे तीखे कंडे कंडे टाइप होते हैं, राइट. Next is some dinosaurs were carnivores, that means they eat the flesh, comma meat eaters, and some were herbivores that only eat the plants. So it is said that the dinosaurs, they can be plant eaters also as well as they can be flesh eaters also. So underline कर लो, dinosaurs meat eaters भी हो सकते हैं and they can be plant eaters also. Next is some walked on two legs. Hurry up, write down. Divita, you can rejoin, bete. Okay, some walked on two legs, while other walked on four legs. Some had horns and spikes, other had thick bumpy skin, and some even had the feathers, right. So they are the different categories. अगर आप बेटे फर्स्ट कैटेगरी देखो, जो आपके पास ऊपर पिक्चर बनी है डायनासोर की, दिस पिक्चर दैट इज इन योर बुक, जो ये वाली पिक्चर बनी है आप इसमें देख सकते हो, दे आर हैविंग स्पाइन्स ऑन द बैक ऑफ देयर बॉडी. Spines are there, right. So this means that some have spines, some have bumpy skin, कईयों की बहुत मोटी skin होगी, and some even had the feathers on their body, right. So this is the different classifications what the animals can have, or how the dinosaurs have different types of appearances. Last is there are currently over 330 described dinosaur species, and this number is growing. And you know that lizard is also species under reptiles, under the dinosaurs. So it is said that there are currently over 330 described species. Dinosaurs की further कितनी species है बेटे? 330 described हो चुकी हैं, and rest still the number is growing. So this is about some amazing facts of the dinosaurs. So you have to make the questions. कुछ मैंने आपको बनवाए हैं questions. So I am repeating. First में तो कोई question as such नहीं है, but in the second there is, second में जो है word dinosaur. What is the meaning of word dinosaur? Who invented this word and in which year? ये 3 questions आपके second point में से बनते हैं. Then what is the age and era of reptiles or dinosaurs? उसके बाद basic question है oldest dinosaur, largest dinosaur, smallest dinosaur, biggest carnivorous dinosaurs and so on. ये आपके basic questions बनते हैं. Rest इसमें कोई इतने important questions नहीं है. Just you know, need to know what are the basic things, what are the basic अमेजिंग फैक्ट्स अबाउट द डायनासोर्स, यही आपको पता होना चाहिए। और जो मैंने आपको बेटे क्वेश्चंस अभी करवाए हैं, जितने लिखवाए हैं, वो आप सारे बच्चों ने लिखने हैं क्वेश्चंस। तो अब मुझे आप सारे बताओ दैट आर यू ओके, हैव यू रिटन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग टू द पॉइंट्स?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I will be writing few questions on the board. You have to write the answers for that. Right? आपने उसके answers लिखने हैं. Either you can look from the book and learn the spellings and write. Just write the answers. Okay, everyone? लिखोगे? हरी आप बोलो. Are you? Will you write the answers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if
My
we
book is drawn with. Only answers you have to write. No need to write the questions. Yes, in the rough notebook you have to write. Hurry up, write down. Write the answers. Okay. First answer is word dinosaur means
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Terrifying lizard. Terrifying lizard.
lizard. Very good. It means terrifying.
मैम आपकी वीडियो नहीं दिख रही
Ma'am, side please.
सर रिचर्ड ऑन
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
मैम
Okay, then the second
प्लीज
question.
मैम
Who invented this
I have a
word?
doubt.
रिचर्ड ऑन
Sir
साइड प्लीज
Richard
मैम
Owen invented this word.
रिचर्ड
Necessarily unmute your
Ma'am,
mic.
I have a doubt.
साइड प्लीज मैम
And the largest dinosaur?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
ब्राचियोसाurus
Largest dinosaur is Spinosaurus. Yes, Brachiosaurus. Smallest is
doubt.
Spinosaurus
smallest.
I have a doubt.
Smallest is
वीडियो नहीं दिख रही
yes, Compsognathus.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Anthragus Ropator
Yes,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
and the biggest carnivore dinosaur is
Dinosaurs
Ma'am, I have a
Spinosaurus.
doubt.
yes, dinosaur.
Dinosaur
Now listen, you have to read this lesson today. You have to read this lesson today.
Ma'am, please get a
Everybody
side.
is unmuted here. Everybody is unmuted. So
Please
you
get a
have
side.
to read this lesson and revise the questions that we have written today. Okay, Manpreet, every answer is written in your book. Just find out and write. Okay. I have already given you in the form of the questions. Okay, beta.
Ma'am, side please.
Write down the
Ma'am,
question.
side please.
Ma'am, side please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, जो आपने dinosaurs are divided into two groups based on the structure of the hip. Ma'am, उसका question क्या था?
The dinosaurs are divided into how many groups? You will be saying two.
Okay, ma'am.
On the basis of what they are divided? On the basis of structure of hip. Then on the basis of structure of hip, in what
Side please.
lizard
Excuse me, ma'am.
and the
Ma'am,
second
second
is
one is the
bird-like.
Who
Okay.
invented the?
Excuse me, ma'am. आज का homework क्या है?
You have to read this lesson carefully. अच्छे से रीड करने और इसके जो मैंने आपको क्वेश्चंस लिखाए हैं उसके आंसर्स लर्न करने हैं आपने, राइट?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Okay, ma'am. मैंने वो जो who invented the word of dash है मैम उसका क्या आएगा सेकंड वाले का
किसका बेटे?
सेकंड का
Who invented this word?
yes ma'am
The answer is Sir Richard Owen.
मैम और फर्स्ट का क्या आएगा the word dinosaur means
Terrifying lizard.
Okay, Sir Richard Owen is the correct answer. Okay, now you have to read this lesson and prepare the question answers. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, rest we will continue on Saturday and be prepared with the current affairs. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bete, bye. Take care.
thank you ma'am bye